Right, Kaizer Chiefs is back on the Betway Premiership action. This is exciting because our last match was very disappointing. The players didn't perform as we thought they would perform. This game we need to bounce back if we are a number 2 or number 3 contender of the season. This is the game we need to redeem ourselves. A game against a very stubborn side of Amazulu FC. So bafethu, I'll be predicting the starting lineup of Kaizer Chiefs versus Amazulu FC this coming Wednesday. So let's jump straight into it together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Consistent Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa pe. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo all the way from Great Town. So namhlanje bafethu nginiphathela zona zishisa pe. So make sure ukuthi you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel as I am trying to reach 4,000 subscribers, and also comment down below ungitshela ukuthi ucabangani nge-content enginiphathele yona namhlanje. Comment with your starting lineup or try to fix my starting lineup. If I'm not mistaken, our last game starting lineup against Cabo Scope in the CAF Conf League, it was like this. Goalkeeper Brendan Peterson, centre backs Quinika and Miguel, who are combining very well for some reason. They are too slow, but they are combining really well. Our left back was Cross, our right back was Solomon. Interestingly, I was not expecting Solomons to come in that match. I was expecting Rafe Frosler, but good decision by our coaches. They decided to go with Solomons and he performed really well. And then in the CDM, we had Umthetwa who was performing really well. I hope guys niyabona ukuthi criticizing our players won't help us. Yabo. Some people didn't like Umthetwa, and there are still those people who still don't like him for some reasons. But this guy is performing. As our CM number 8, Umshin was playing there. He played really well. Our boy is growing up and he's getting matured. Our number 10 was Umtutuzi Shabalala. He also had a good game, not a bad game, but yeah. Our left wing, we had Upule Modi, who we all know that he loves tracking back and defending. Maybe in the future he will be a left back. I don't know, but his lots of work in a pitch, he defends a lot than attacking. Our right wing was Uklodi Lilep. I don't have much to say about him, but he performed. And then we had Uto Pris as a strike, right? So will coach Khalil Ben Yusuf and coach Ukaze make changes on those on the starting lineup which we had against the Icaboscope in the CAF Confederation. Remember, we are playing in the different competition now. First thing first, Utabiso Munyane is still not feeling good for this game. Yeah, I don't see him coming back for this game. Maybe we'll see him on the next game, which I believe will be playing a Culling Black Label. Yeah, so this game he is not available. Players who might be available are players like Shinga and Chaselets. I heard coach saying something like debuts for this game, but in my mind came Ushinga and also Chislet. Remember, we still got Mabua and all other players, but Mabua is still injured. Yeah. and Marco, I think, is still injured. So this is my starting lineup. I predicted it, so you can fix where you think it needs to be fixed, or just drop your starting lineup down in the comment below. Our goalkeeper will be Brendan Peterson, and we need him in this game. We need the clean sheet. The centre back pairing of Miguel and Quinica, we also need it in this game, because somehow they are really solid when they are playing together, because they just don't allow any player to go past them, because they know that they lack speed. Both of them abanalo ijubane, so they deal with you same time. Abalindi nanokuthi uzudlule, so that combination is working, guys. So our right back, this is interesting, because coach throw Solomon, who hasn't played any game since the start of the season, and threw him in the most important game of our season, and he performed. So in this right back position, would you start Frosler over Solomons in a Betway Premiership game? And my response is no. I would rather start Solomons again. Maybe I know we have lots of players playing on that right position this season, because of the addition of Utabiso Munyan, and the players must be performing like Solomons did on this game. He showed ukuthi he's fighting for the position, unlike for Frosler, who's just playing. So I think Solomons will be playing this game also. The left back will be Ukros, but there could be a possibility of Unkanyi Soshinga, because, as I told you, the coach hinted a debut for some our new players. So I am eager to see Shinga in Kaizer Chiefs playing a competitive game, and also I am so eager to see it in Chislets. In this game, I think Shinga can be introduced if he's fit to play. CDM, Sbongsen, Ox himself will be playing there. No questions. The guy is performing. You can see he's hungry. He wants to play for Kaizer Chiefs. He wants to play football. The CM played really well in last game, and it was Nobo. The combination of him and Mtetwa, when Ngobo is dropping back to collect the ball, Mtetwa is there covering for him. I think they worked really well. And our number 10 would be Umdu Shabalala, for Uzi. He has minutes on his legs. He's been playing, but I would really love to see it in Chislets being given a chance to play against Amazon, to see him what he's got for us. Also, the left wing, our left winger Pulemoti will come back. Yeah, I think Pulemoti will come back to help Ufrosler to defend and also to attack. Right wing, Lilepo performed really well, and striker Mayo is available. I think Mayo will play this match. If not Mayo, then the Silva. But I think Mayo will start this match. That was my predicted starting lineup of Kaizer Chiefs against Amazon FC on a Betway Premiership competitive match and a must-win match for Kaizer Chiefs. So, guys, what do you think about my starting lineup? Adjust this if you think there is a position where I missed, and also drop yours starting lineup down below. Don't forget to smash that like button, and also subscribe to my channel, as I'm trying to reach 400 subscribers. 400, no, not 4,000 subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you on another video. Danko.